Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Covering both sides of the big issues with the analysis you trust on News Radio 1040 WHO.
Well, despite the fact that we talk a lot on this show about the responsible use of credit, roughly 1 in 7 Gen Zers have maxed out their credit cards, according to a report from the Federal Reserve. Here's someone who has more than 30 years of experience in financial services. The CEO of Decision Financial Services, Monika Hengesbach, is on the Davison Family Dentistry Newsmaker line this morning. Monika, welcome to WHO Radio. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
So despite all of the talk about debt, Monika, Gen Zers are maxing the credit cards out. What do you think is responsible for that?
Truthfully, I think part of the reason is obviously the rising cost of college education. So they have huge student loans. Inflation is on a rise. So you've got student loans that are outpassing their wages, high interest rates, high rent, and they're starting to turn to their credit cards and using those more.
And Monika, I could see a listener saying, well, we just don't have any choice with this constant inflation. But what's the wise way to approach your budget now that we've got this sustained inflation going on?
I think you have to get really disciplined. You need to create a financial plan and budget. And particularly with Gen Zers, I mean, there are a tremendous amount of apps out there that they can download that they could use to get them on a budget. For example, there's one that's called You Need a Budget. And if they are very disciplined in that and track exactly where their money is going, I believe it will start helping them save more.
Monika Hengesbach on News Radio 1040 WHO. But Monika, you're using the word very disciplined and disciplined. I totally get it, and I agree with you. So what's causing people not to be disciplined?
It's the ease of use. I mean, nowadays you have instant digital payments. I mean, you got an Apple Card on your phone, or, Amazon and other PayPal has pay-as-you-go payments. You have social influencers that are out there telling you how you should be spending your money or what you need to buy, and then here you are on your phone and clicking it away. And that is what's taking it away. It's so easy to use now, which is you don't even know how much you're spending until the end of the month.
It's just like it's what people would call free money. That is Monika Hengesbach, CEO at Decision Financial Services. Monika, thanks for joining me this morning.